Friends, subscribe to the channel to support us. Don't forget to like and share the video. Say hello to the entry-level Tesla, the Model 3 sedan. Starting at just over $40,000, this is the most affordable offering from the American automaker. Tesla introduced the model back in 2017, and we're not expecting significant changes for 2022 compared to last year's model. That said, it's possible the Model 3 could inherit the refreshed Model S yoke steering wheel and upgraded infotainment hardware. The Model 3 competes both against other electric cars and alongside gas-powered competitors in the compact luxury segment. Main competitors include the Polestar 2, Audi A4, and BMW i4, as well as more affordable electrics like the Chevrolet Bolt. The Model 3 ranks well in both the electric car and compact luxury sedan segments. Generous range and accessible pricing alone would be enough to make this car appealing, but the exceptional performance and luxurious minimalist interior only add to the allure. In fact, the Model 3 impressed us enough to take home a comparison test win over the BMW 3 Series and the 2019 Car of the Year winning Genesis G70. That said, some buyers won't appreciate the massive center touchscreen. Nearly every aspect of the car is controlled through that display. There are only a handful of actual buttons in the cabin. The system carries with it a significant learning curve compared to more conventional luxury electric cars like the BMW i4 4-door or Audi e-tron SUV. On the road, performance is impressive, but we did notice too much tire and road noise infiltrating the cabin, and we've heard buzzes and rattles over broken pavement that hint at Tesla's infamously inconsistent build quality. We've also had issues with the consistency of Tesla's problematically named Autopilot Driver Assist Suite. It will occasionally turn off without warning and won't always bring the Model 3 to a stop. Continuous updates and improvements will make a difference, but these issues are certainly worth keeping in mind. There are three variants of the Model 3: Standard Range Plus, Long Range, and Performance. Entry-level Standard Range Plus models feature a single rear motor and rear-wheel drive, while the other two Model 3s work with dual motors and AWD. The Standard Range cars work with a 54 kWh battery, but if you go for one of the dual motor variants, those models get an 82 kWh unit. Looking at performance numbers, Tesla claims 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.3 seconds for the Standard Range Plus, 4.2 seconds for the Long Range, and 3.1 seconds for the Model 3 Performance. Our testing shows slightly quicker numbers for the Standard Range Plus and Long Range models. Although Tesla hasn't announced range numbers for 2022, we anticipate them to be unchanged compared to the 2021 model. Those figures are listed here. Standard Range Plus, 263 miles. Long Range, 353 miles. Performance, 315 miles. The Model 3 performs about as well as a vehicle can in ease safety testing, earning the Institute's 2021 Top Safety Pick Plus award. Tesla's small sedan also earns a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA with the highest possible scores in every test. Every model includes front and rear automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. For a $10,000 upcharge or a monthly subscription fee, buyers can add full self-driving capability. Reminder that there are no self-driving cars currently on sale. That includes auto lane changes, park assist, parking lot summon, and navigate on autopilot. Although the Model 3 doesn't offer as much interior space as the Model Y crossover or Tesla's larger Model S, there's still a decent amount of room here. The Polestar 2 has a slight edge over the Model 3's 15.0 cubic feet of cargo space, but the Tesla has more front and rear legroom. Cargo space, trunk plus front trunk. 2022 Tesla Model 3, 15.0 cubic feet. 2022 Polestar 2, 15.5 cubic feet. Legroom, first per second rows. 2022 Tesla Model 3, 42.735.2 inches. 2022 Polestar 2, 42.233.9 inches. The Model 3's minimalist interior is dominated by the 15.0-inch touchscreen centered in the cabin. Tesla's setup may take some getting used to, as everything from climate control to trip odometer to mirror adjustments go through that system. It's capable of over-the-air updates, too, which means buyers can expect new features over the coming years. Tesla does not work with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, though. Drivers must get used to Tesla's interfaces for media and navigation. If you're not swimming in cash and want to join the Teslarati, the Model 3 is the least expensive option. At about $41,500, the rear-drive Model 3 Standard Range Plus is the cheapest Tesla you can buy. Dual-motor AWD variants start at about $51,500 for the Model 3 Long Range or about $58,500 for a Model 3 Performance. The dual-motor Performance is an outstanding vehicle and the only Tesla you can buy with track mode, which loosens the reins on the stability control system and allows for some slip, but for most buyers, the best Model 3 is the cheapest one you can find. At little more than $40,000, no electrics and few vehicles can rival the base Model 3's driving experience, luxury, and technology. Check our trim guide for the pros and cons of each Model 3 variant.